Hello, today we are going to discuss about dynamic routing protocol. In this we will learn about the two type of dynamic routing protocols like IGP and EGP. Then the various type of IGP protocols, distance vector routing protocol, link state routing protocol and the hybrid routing protocol. So let's first discuss about what is dynamic routing protocol. So the dynamic routing protocol is a set of protocols used for finding a best path to route the packet in the network. So the dynamic routing are configured automatically without any administrator intervention. It means these routes are configured automatically or updated automatically in the network. These are not configured by the network administrator. So the dynamic routes are more adapt to any change in the network. So the dynamic routing protocols can be divided into two parts: IGP, interior gateway protocol, and EGP, exterior gateway protocol. So before discussing about these two type of interior gateway protocol and exterior gateway protocol, let's first discuss about autonomous system. So the autonomous system is a collection of networks which are managed by a single entity or a organization, and these all autonomous system follow the different routing policies. So the autonomous system is a collection of networks which have various routers and devices, and these are managed by a single entity or a various organization. So the autonomous systems are allocated with unique number whose range lies between 1 to 65,534, which is assigned by the IANA, that is Internet Assigned Number Authority. So the public autonomous systems number range from 1 to 64,511. So these are the autonomous systems number which is used in the internet, or the devices between these networks are used in the internet. Next is private autonomous system numbers, which range between 64,512 to 65,534. These are the autonomous system which are used internally within an organization. These are not public to the internet. So now we will discuss about interior gateway protocol. So the interior gateway protocol, IGP, is a set of routing protocols which are used within one autonomous system. So the routing protocol which are used between one autonomous system is known as IGP, interior gateway protocol. For example, like RIP, routing information protocol, and ISIS, intermediate system are the two protocols which are used between IGP, interior gateway protocol, or the between autonomous system of IGP. So the main function of the IGP is to search and calculate route within autonomous system. So here these protocols are used to search the best route and to calculate the route matrix within an single autonomous system. So next is exterior gateway protocol. So the exterior gateway protocol is used to connect two or more different autonomous systems, such as done in the BGP, that is Border Gateway Protocol. This protocol used to connect the more autonomous systems. So it controls communication between different autonomous systems with routing policies and route filtering mechanism. So this is EGP is used to connect the two or more autonomous system with each other to communicate. The next is different type of routing protocol. First is distance vector routing. In this we will learn about RIP, that is routing information protocol version 1, routing information protocol version 2. Then is BGP, border gateway protocol. Then is IGRP, interior gateway routing protocol. Next is link state routing protocol, in which we will learn about OSPF and ISIS routing protocols. Then it's hybrid routing protocol. In this we will learn about the EIGRP routing protocol. So let's first discuss about what is distance vector routing protocol. So distance vector routing protocol was the first routing protocol which is used in TCP IP network, and it is still used in the network. So it used two things to choose the best path, that is first is distance calculation and next is network interface port. So it used the two things to choose the best routing path. First is it calculate the distance, by using the hop matrix, and next is network interface port through which the packet have to be forwarded in the network. So it specifies the distance from the destination and indicate the direction or interface to which packet should be forwarded in the network. In this, router will periodically inform its neighbors about any network change. So it means the router send the message to every router periodically to inform about the network changes. So in distance vector routing, router shares the entire routing table with each other after every 30 seconds. So this is the approx value after which every router shares a routing table to in the network. So distance vector routing algorithm work in small network containing less routers, because if the network will be large, this will lead to the traffic, because after every 30 seconds router have to share their routing table in the network. So example of distance vector routing are RIPv1, RIPv2 and BGP. Next is link state routing protocol. So the link state routing protocol is a faster protocol which use less bandwidth over wide area network. So this is the routing protocol which is designed to use the less bandwidth. So link state packets, LSPs, are used to determine the name of the neighboring router and the cost or the distance to the neighboring router, or the cost to reach to the next neighboring routers and associated network. So as in distance vector routing, the router shares the routing table at a regular interval or after every 30 seconds, which increase the traffic load in the network. But in link state routing protocol, the router simply shares the change if occur in their routing table. So they are only sharing the change. If any change occur in the network, then only they have to send their routing table. So in link state routing protocol, the router also share the information about their neighboring routers. The example of link state routing protocols are OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, and ISIS, Intermediate System and Intermediate Systems. The next is hybrid routing protocol. So the hybrid routing protocol, as its name suggests, it is the combination of distance vector routing protocol and the link state routing protocol. So hybrid routing protocol use distance vector for more accurate metric to determine the best path to the destination. So it means it using only the accurate metric from the distance vector, and it use link state protocol for sending on routing information if there is any change in the network topology. So they are using the best thing from the two topologies, two protocols, and making it in the hybrid routing protocol. So the hybrid routing protocol allows rapid convergence in the network, and it requires less process, and the routers used between the hybrid routing protocols require less processing power and memory. And example of hybrid routing protocols are EIGRP. So this is protocol which is used in the hybrid routing protocol. So this is all about dynamic routing protocol. Thank you.